Hello, me again. This is your video notes for your Venn diagram for multiplying and dividing positive rational numbers. So we're going to have positive fractions and decimals and whole numbers and all kinds of things mixed in. So this is going to be a nice, neat little Venn diagram. Hopefully we know what the word Venn diagram means. This is going to be a nice, neat little Venn diagram that will help you whenever you get to do these operations so you can compare. What do I do when I add and subtract? What do I do when I divide? What do I do when I multiply? What am I doing whenever I do all three? There's my buzzer, excuse me. Okay, what am I doing if I do all three? Do I do anything the same whenever I multiply and divide? Or do I do anything the same when I add, subtract, and divide? Okay, so this is going to be kind of like a little cheat sheet to make sure you're doing the right things. So we're going to start with addition and subtraction. It says check to see if both denominators are the same. Denominators. It is okay if you write outside of the little circle if you need to. Not a big deal. Okay, then it says rewrite fractions with the blank denominator. Remember, we need a common denominator. So I'll put on here the same or common denominator. Okay? So also when we add and subtract, over here, we need to rewrite our original fraction. So rewrite the original fraction. Once we have those new common denominators, we need to rewrite it. Okay, something that we're going to do for all three, we always need to simplify our answers. Y'all should have heard that a lot by now. We always simplify our answers. Says whole numbers, okay, so whole numbers written as fractions. Okay, so like 2, instead of 2, it's 2 over 1. That's what it means is written as fractions. Blank numbers written as fractions. Mixed numbers. It will make it a lot easier. And once you get to working on some actual problems, you'll see what I mean by some of this stuff. I know some of it may not quite make sense in this context, but as we go into working problems, you'll see how they all fit in. Okay, so something we do whenever we multiply, we are always going to use the original fractions. We don't do anything to them. Okay, we don't need common denominators, anything like that. But we do need our whole numbers to be written as fractions, and we do need our mixed numbers to be written as fractions. That is something we have to have. So we are going to multiply our numerators, and then we are also going to multiply our denominators. It's actually probably one of the easiest operations that we will do is multiplying fractions. Super simple as long as you follow the steps every time. Same thing with division. If you follow the steps, it ends up being really easy. Okay, so one thing that we have to do is rewrite with the reciprocal. Okay, this is one of those vocabulary words. Reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay, the reciprocal of the second fraction. So when we're multiplying, I'm just going to give you an example. We have 1/2 times 1/2. Okay, it says we multiply our numerators, so 1 times 1 is 1, and then we multiply our denominators. 2 times 2 is 4. We're finished. That's all multiplying fractions is. Now, dividing fractions is similar, but not exactly the same. So say I have 1/2, divided by 1/3. We'll do 1/2 divided by 1/3, something simple. Okay, it says rewrite with the reciprocal of the second fraction. So what this is actually saying is this is 1/2 times 3 over 1. Okay, your reciprocal is your opposite. Remember 1 over 3, 3 over 1. Okay, so 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. So your answer will be 3 over 2 or 1 and 1/2. We will do a whole lot more of that. This is just our baby basics. This is our new beginnings. This is our cheat sheet. So make sure these notes get in your notebook. They're super important. Okay, make sure to let us know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye.